Kita ada Nurin. Okay, insyaAllah. We will start insyaAllah Okay. Assalamualaikum everyone.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, my name is UmmiNa. UmmiNa. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Antai.
Masya Allah. Nice name. Okay. Okay. How are you today? Alhamdulillah. Everyone in a great. Okay. Let's start our story today. The title is The Tiger and the Woodpecker. Once, as a tiger was eating, a bone accidentally got stuck in its teeth. It tried hard to remove the bone. A woodpecker saw the tiger's discomfort and went to help. The woodpecker promised to remove the bone on the condition that the tiger would always give him a portion of its food. The tiger agreed, and the woodpecker took out the bone using its sharp beak. One day, as the tiger was eating, the woodpecker came around and asked for share it. The tiger refused and said, "You should be thankful that I did not kill you when you enter my mouth." That day, the woodpecker was enraged at the ungrateful tiger. It picked the tiger in one eye as the tiger roared in pain. Ah! Ah! Okay, the woodpecker said, "You should be thankful that I did not blind both of your eyes." Moral in this story, one must keep to his promise. Okay, one must keep to his promise. Kenapa burung woodpecker is what? Burung apa? Siapa tahu woodpecker? Who know what's the meaning woodpecker? Burung? No, burung? No. Burung apa? Yang tajam paruh dia. Bila dia kat burung? Burung apa? Siapa tadi? Masya Allah. Who's that? Who's that? Umar. Abrar, Masya Allah. Okay, woodpecker is burung belatuk. Dia suka patuk dekat pokok bunyi. Tuk, 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 tuk. Sampai berlubang. Dia ada paruh yang tajam. Jadi, burung tu dia marah dekat harimau sebab dah tolong cabutkan bone from its teeth. Cabutkan tulang yang tersangkut dekat gigi harimau. Tapi harimau tak nak kongsi makanan. Dia janji mula-mula nak kongsi makanan. Lepas tu tak nak kongsi. Burung belatuk marah. Lalu cucuk mata harimau, tapi dia cucuk satu saja. Sebab nak bagi peringatan dekat harimau, jangan mungkir janji. Bila kita dah janji dengan orang lain, kita mesti tunaikan. You should settle your promise with someone. Okay, today we will spell together the words. Okay. How to spell remove? R E M O V E. Remove. Remove ni maksudnya apa, anak-anak? What's the meaning, kids? The words is apa? Siapa tahu? Remove maksudnya apa? Kita buang. Kita pindah. Okey, kita pindahkan, kita buangkan tulang tadi tu. Yang dalam cerita kita ni kita buang. Burung belatuk tu buang tulang tersebut. Okey. The next word. Okay. What is this? Okay, how to spell it? S-H-A-R-P. Sharp. Okay, sharp. R-P. Sharp. Maksudnya apa? Maksudnya tajam. Tajam. Sharp means tajam. Okay. How to spell heart? Heart. Ulfa, can you hear me? H-A-R-D. Heart. Heart. Maksudnya apa? Bersusah payah. Bersusah-susah. Maksudnya dia susah, dia rasa susah nak keluarkan tulang tadi tu, the bone. Okay, how to spell woodpecker? Woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Okay, good. Good, Doreen. Good, Hannah. Well done, Ulfa. Woodpecker. Okay, everyone says woodpecker. Woodpecker. Okay, good. Okay, how to spell stuck? Stuck. S-T-U-C-K. Stuck. Stuck means tersangkut. Tersangkut. Okay, wait. Okay, kita dah habis spell bersama-sama. Spell together. Okay, sekarang UmmiNa nak panggil nama pula. Okay, Nurin. How to spell? Okay, yang lain tutup dulu mikrofon. Yang lain tolong tutup mikrofon dulu. UmmiNa nak panggil seorang-seorang. Okay. Nurin, how to spell sharp? Masya Allah. Well done, Nurin. Okay, Umar, Luqman. Okay, Umar, Luqman pula. Yang lain tutup dulu mikrofon. Okay, Umar, how to spell remove? Masya Allah. Say it. Remove. Okay, good, Umar. Masya Allah. Well done, my boy. Okay, Abrar. How to spell heart? Abrar, can you hear me? Okay. Spell it. Okay, say it. Heart. Again. Say it. Heart. Heart. Okay. Okay. Ulfa. Okay, I want to hear Ulfa's voice. How to spell stuck?
Stuck.
Good, Ulfa. Okay. Okay, Ulya. Where is Ulya? Where is Ulya? How to spell shop? Ulya. Can I see you?
SHARP.
Say it. Shop. Shop. Okay, good, Ulia. Well done, my girls. Okay. Okay, next. Hannah. 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 Hannah, can you spell to me? Refuse. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Masya Allah, Hannah. Okay, say it. Refuse. Okay, everyone say refuse. Okay, good. Refuse means apa? Maksudnya apa? Menolak. Mengelak. Okay. Dia tak jadi. Maksudnya menolak. Refuse. Okay. Okay. Again, we want to call Lokman. Lokman. How to spell sharp? Okay, say it. Sharp. Okay, good, Omar. Okay, Nurin, how to spell refuse? Masya Allah. Well done, Nurin. Okay, good girl. Okay. Ulfa, how to spell remove?
Remove.
Remove. Remove.
Remove.
Okay. Ulia, how to spell heart? Okay, good, Ulia. Okay, everyone. Okay, insyaAllah, we will see you again next time in Bahasa Malaysia ataupun Bahasa Melayu pula. Cerita Bahasa Melayu next time. Okay, next week insyaAllah, hari Ahad pula. Boleh kita jumpa lagi? Boleh tak? Okay. Okay, today we will end our story in this time, insyaAllah. Okay, see you next time, insyaAllah. Bye.